Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to simply pause group option on Facebook. So for you to do that, you have to open your Facebook app on your iPhone, then you tap at this icon menu, then you tap on group, then you're going to come up here and tap on your groups. Once you tap on it, then you can tap on the name of the group you want to pause action for, then tap on manage. Then once you do that, then you scroll down a little bit, then you can click on this particular option in between these three options, then you click on the pause, and right here you can set reasons. You can see why do you want to pause this group, so you can decide to pick reason why you want to pause a particular group on Facebook. It can be because of lack of activities or conflict in group or hard to manage or probably not interested anymore, or can decide to add others. Or so let me click conflict in group, then tap on continue. So right here, say want to pause your group. Pausing your group will make it read only for everyone. Some tools may be limited, so that means you will not have for this explanation down here. It means you have limited access to your group. Once you pause your group, you may not be able to perform your activities as the admin or the moderator of the group. So once you tap on continue, and right here you can decide to set the resume date and time for the group, and also you can add an announcement for the members in the group. And once you do that, you can set a date and a time for the group to resume. That means you suspend the pause. So once you do that, then you tap on pause group, then that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.